This is Palmyra Net. Hi. What a great day for a celebration. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Oh, we gotta go over there.
Yeah, we gotta go over here.
Okay.
We're gonna have you put this silly hat on.
1, 2, 3.
Hey.
We just want to see how many times we can bend down and get in there.
Turn straight. How many people we That's our last engineer.
Sam, you need back there too. Hello. Want Tina in there? No, she said no. Huh? She said no. Okay.
Hey guys, get a little cozy. Also, on the count of 3, I want you all to say, this is Palmyra Network News. We'll put you on YouTube.
Okay.
Just a test first. 1, 2, 3.
This is Palmyra Network News.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
This is Palmyra Network News.
Yeah. We'll be in the
you've always had an interest in the history of Palmyra and this surrounding area.
Well, the surrounding area, I grew up in Campbelltown, of course, so Campbelltown, I really was interested in the history of there, of course, because that's where I lived. I did go to Palmyra High School and I graduated from there. So kind of Palmyra, Campbelltown, both. Back in 1985 when they had the 225th, my mom, my brother, I, and my sister all participated in the, every night of 1 week, they actually had entertainment, like a show, like a history show, and we were part of that history show for a whole week. It was a lot of fun. We enjoyed that. Definitely.
So now they have a lot of entertainment right here.
Yes, we do have a lot of entertainment right
and
here.
How long will this go on?
This will be here, it'll be running through the Christmas season, on weekends only, Saturdays and Sundays, and then it will continue on and off throughout the 250th anniversary year in 2010, and then we'll finish up with next Christmas, and then it will be done.
And there's no charge?
There is no charge.
You do have some memorabilia from Palmyra that is for sale, like plates and books?
We do have stuff that's not necessarily memorable. Well, yeah, I guess it is memorabilia for the 250th, yes. We do have that for sale. And I'm not sure what the prices are, but we have some t-shirts and hats, and they have wood blocks that they're selling, that they're making of some of the older structures in the community. Train station will be one of them eventually, and of course I'll buy that one when it comes out.
What would you say to somebody at the 275th, in case this might live on the internet forever?
Well, I'm going to say that when you put together a celebration such as this, which I know because I was chairperson of the Campbelltown 250th this year for 2009, it is a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. And you have to just do some things to make it fun, too. Don't take it too seriously, but just come up with some ideas and you know, try to create something. Always revert back to the history, talk about the history, show the people that the community has a history, and create more history for the future. And I hope we'll do that here for the 250th.
Just a test first. 1, 2, 3.
This is Palmyra Network News.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
This is Palmyra Network News.